guys, I'm Josh from Tri-Coast Electrical. I'm here today with M-Elec and we're installing their new Apex spotlight. We'll let you know how we go once it's all installed. I definitely like the idea of the one-handed fitting. We've got these guides here which will line up the light, which is going to make it pretty easy to get your light installed the right direction, obviously, but saves you having to fumble around with two hands, so as easy as that. That was really easy. Yeah, and another good thing about the fitting is it's all plastic coated, so living on the coast, you know, everything rusts out pretty quick up here, so yeah, this is obviously the new way forward for a lot of light fittings, but yeah, definitely going to save you a lot of time and, you know, coming back to replace fittings after 6 months that just, you know, usually end up rust out or break down. It also comes with, like most sensors, you've got your time, lux and sensitivity, so obviously you can adjust your direction, how long you want it on and when you want it to come on. Generally we just set it all to dusk to come on and, you know, a couple of minutes to stay on and not too far of a distance. Generally if you're living near traffic or close to roadways, you don't want cars driving past and switching your floodlights on, so there we have it. That was a pretty quick install for a floodlight, which is, yeah, what we generally want as sparkies. Less little bits and pieces that can get lost. You know, you've got one single screw to hold the fitting, two guides to place the head straight onto the base. Yeah, so you can pretty much do it all one-handed if that's how you want to work. But coming from an electrician, like, it's a really great fitting. You know, it's what we look for, just a quick install. We don't want more screws. We don't want more bits and pieces that are, you know, going to get broken or lost. So yeah, I'll give it a 10 out of 10 rating on my side.